Spectacular walking in the Elan Valley in mid-Wales. The Elan Valley was purchased in 1895 by Birmingham Corporation and has been looked after since by various bodies including the Welsh Water Board, and now is looked after by the Elan Valley Trust. The best place to start your visit is at the Elan Valley Visitor Centre, where you can pick up various leaflets on walks and other things to do with the Elan Valley. The first walk, which is of 5 kilometres and approximately 2 hours, gives you two options. You can go up past the visitor centre and over the bridge right under the dam, leading you up the steep slope to the top, or you can turn back down the valley and go over the old swing bridge and then follow a gently sloping path up to the top of the cabin dam and enjoy the views both over the lake and back down the valley. You can look directly over the dam from this point, and the roar of the water cascading over the dam is something to behold, and if you're unfortunate to miss it, it is well worth making another visit to the area to see this tremendous waterfall. Once past the dam, the tranquility of the Elan Valley returns, and the walk takes you along a gently sloping path right by the side of the lake, looking towards Garrigdy Reservoir and Nantgwilt Church. Looking back down the valley, you can see the quarry on the opposite side of the dam, where the stone for much of the waterworks was quarried. Because of the quality, the actual facing stones for most of the dams and the big tooled rocks were imported from Glamorgan, where a better quality stone was available. As you proceed further up the slope, you come along to Nantgwilt Dam, which was used by Barnes Wallis to test the explosive for the dam busters' raid. This small dam was built to supply water for the workforce in early 1895, and at the time of war in 1940s was considered surplus to requirements and was a good site to test the explosives that were going to be used on the dams in Germany. The first test took place in May 1942 and did not breach the dam. A subsequent test taking place in July blew the centre completely out of the dam. Both these tests were attended by Barnes Wallis and helped him greatly in designing his bouncing bomb and the amount of explosive he needed to make the whole system work. As you can see from the next couple of clips, the centre of Nantgwilt Dam was completely blown out. As you climb out of Nantgwilt Valley up towards Tinnerpant, the ruined house, if you look back over your shoulder, you can see the Garrigdy Reservoir, Henfron Farm in the distance. From the top of Canook Hill you can look down on the cabin dam itself, and further along is the Canook Wood Reserve, which takes you back to the visitor centre, and I hope you've enjoyed this short trip around one of the Elan Valley walks. The rest of these clips are from a small part of the views in the Elan Valley. We hope you enjoy them.